Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to my first upload in forever on my channel. I just haven't posted for a while just because I've had a lot of stuff going on. But I'll be posting some stuff on my new truck here. So I have a 2020 Ram Rebel. I basically went from the 4Runner, which is what used to be on this channel, to a big lifted blue F-150, then to a Raptor, and now I'm in this. So today we're going to be doing a pedal commander to the truck. I had one of these in the Raptor, but with the 10-speed it really didn't get along with it too well. So I'm going to go off with what's in the box. The box is actually kind of cool. It's a little pedal commander thing. This is the actual pedal commander itself. Get a little mounting bracket for it. A little pamphlet. I think these are instructions on how to use it. A little alcohol cloth. Wipe down so you can actually stick it. Alright, is this the other? I think this may be the other side of the Velcro. One of the two, I don't know. And then here we got the zip tie. So, lots of cool stuff in the box. So for those of you that aren't sure what a pedal commander does, it basically increases the sensitivity of the throttle. It's kind of like if you're in like a high-end, car or whatever, and you put it in sport mode, and all of a sudden the throttle becomes very touchy. This is basically that. This doesn't add any horsepower or anything like that. It's not a tuner. All it does is just change the sensitivity of the throttle. And there's different modes on here. As you can see, we've got Eco, City, Sport, Sport Plus, and it goes from less sensitive to more sensitive, and you can change the sensitivity within these settings up here. So it's a pretty cool little thing. Hopefully it'll wake this truck up a little bit. The first step when you're installing something like this, it's not in the instructions. It's not a requirement. I just recommend it. Basically what you do is you unlock, you open the door, leave your keys. I got mine in the back of the Expedition over here, and just kind of let the computer go to sleep. This will eliminate any of the possibility of check engine lights. I had that happen in my Raptor where I didn't let it go to sleep all the way, unplugged it, then plugged this in, and check engine light came on. I had to disconnect the battery to get it to fix. So just a little recommendation. So first step is going to be locating the gas pedal. And up here, you'll see it plugs in to the gas pedal. That little wire right there. You'll notice that the plug looks the same as this. Let's see if I just go in here, pull that out towards me, and pull up, and unplugs. This piece with the red is going to go in there. It's going to go in the same direction as that one. That plugs in there like that. And now we've got to plug this end into there. Okay, so that was too hard to do and film at the same time. But basically you just plug them into each other. Make sure that you push these tabs all the way in. Same thing with this red one here. Make sure those are all pushed in. You want to make sure there's a tight connection there, so kind of give them a little wiggle, and we should be good to go. All right, so now I've got my little device here. Now the one rule to this thing is you cannot change it while your foot is on the gas. I believe you can do it while you're rolling, just not while your foot's on the gas. So we'll go ahead. Actually, we're gonna do one with it off. And I'm gonna put my foot about halfway down. There's nothing real scientific about this. We'll just kind of see what we get out of it. So now we're going to take it and we're going to put it into, let's try Sport. We'll try Sport. All right, 3. Okay. Jeez, you just barely touching it. Give it some gas and now the traction control light starts flashing. Holy crap. It definitely did not do that before. Overall, I really like that pedal commander. I think it really, woke the truck up a little bit, especially from the start. It was always hard to get the back end to kind of break loose in the beginning. I think it's just how they have the throttle sensitivity set from the factory. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and give it a subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.